you're looking to make the best chicken wings on a GMG pellet grill, well, look no further. Delicious, beautiful Alabama white sauce chicken wings on the GMG. Juicy, salty. Watch the rest of this video for instructions on how to do it. Kit here from Houston's Barbecue, and today we're going to be cooking up my favorite protein, which is chicken. Highly underrated in Australia. The best bit of the chicken, I think, is the chicken wing. So let's light those fires and get started. So the GMG, of course, runs through its pre-cycle. As it comes up to temperature, it'll heavily smoke for a while, and then eventually it'll settle in at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. From here, we can turn it up to 275, which is our cooking temperature. So the first thing we need to do is get those chicken wings out. We're going to cook them two ways today. We're going to cook them like we do in the restaurant and cook them how I cook them for home. Dump out your chicken. We're going to divide them into two piles, one for home cook and one for restaurant cook. So in the restaurant, we like to smoke them all up, chill them, and then flash fry them for service. Once we get them flash fried, we toss them up in our seasoning and deliver them to the customer. But at home, I like to season them all up now. Get them on the smoker, smoke them through, and don't even worry about flash frying them. So let's check out both of these methods and see how they go. All right, so from here, we're gonna season them really well. Give them a great coating of our chicken rub. Gonna mix them up. Just make sure that they're well seasoned. Make sure you get the underneath, again, back onto the rub. Cover every part possible. Get them all stuck down. If you knock anything off, you can always just go back over again. Push down hard. Make sure everything's coated and covered. Excellent. Of course, with these ones here, we're not going to season them because we're going to flash fry them at the end and then season them when it's ready to serve. Now with the GMG comfortably up to 275, I reckon it's time we get these wings on. Let's give it a go. So today, I'm not going to use any of the racking system. We're just going to get the wings on to the main grill here and then let them cook up. Now we're also going to bring across the unseasoned wings, which we're going to flash fry once they're done cooking. Awesome, close up the lid, let the smoker do its work. Those delicious fatty chicken wings have been on the GMG for about 30 minutes now. So it's probably a great time to probe them and see what internal temperature at. They're looking at about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So once we test them with the probe, we'll be able to see how long they've got to go. So let's have a look at what the internal temperatures are. We're aiming for over 165 degrees. That one's at 166, 170. These little smoky ones, 180. Beautiful. So they're done. Alrighty, so we've got our wings off. We've got our unseasoned wings and we've got our seasoned wings. I'm gonna take the unseasoned wings, I'm gonna put them in the fridge to chill down before I fry them. Of course, got our seasoned wings here, which we're gonna dress and have a taste. I love the color of the GMG that it's put on them. It's got that smoky color to it. They're nice and puffy from all that fat, and these wings look delicious, absolutely delicious. So let's have a look at how they taste. All right, our pellet grilled wings, which are cooked on the GMG, are ready to go. Got some of our white sauce just up from the restaurant, and of course we sell it down in the store if you ever need it. Beautiful, sugary, salty, mayo, delicious white sauce, goes perfect with our chicken wings. How good does that look? That looks amazing. So let's give it a taste test. Chicken wings are so underrated, especially smoked right through. Oh, a little bit of rest. Crunchy bit on the end, absolutely superb. Everything about them is just delicious. Our white sauce. So every wing I cook is the same as like having it the first time. Absolutely amazing and absolutely delicious. Alrighty, here's a few of the chilled wings. Let's get these fried up like we do in the shop. We're gonna cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, get that skin all crispy, and then we're gonna toss them in some seasoning. I brought in my little fryer from home. This is a great little fryer. Let's get these wings in off the smoker and get them fried. Alrighty, 3 minutes has passed. They're all puffy. I've got that beautiful color to it. Probably 1 more minute. All right, those wings are officially done. They've been in for an extra minute. Let's have a quick look. Beautiful. They've puffed right back up again like they should. Let's try and get these out. Beautiful. Now, They've got that golden color to them. They've got that smokiness still there. While they've still got a little bit of oil on them, let's just cover them up. That's how we do them in the shop. Make sure you get the underneath as well. Beautiful. All right, put them out. Delicious, 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 delicious. They really don't need too long in that fryer. Just bringing them back to life again. All right, we just took those chilled wings off the GMG pellet grill. We gave them a flash fry for about 4 minutes or so. We've drizzled them now in our Alabama white sauce. So let's jump in and have a taste. Wow. Wow. I actually think these are better than just plain smoking. Oh, crunchy skin. Tender juicy meat and the Alabama white sauce. That's absolutely amazing. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check out our website. Come and check out our smoke school. Everything we do is online. Easy to find. Thanks for watching.